In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export events in Mixpanel. To get started, open Mixpanel and make sure you're in the correct project or workspace where your event data is stored. This is important because exports will only include the data from the project you're currently viewing. Once you're on the main Mixpanel dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, click on Data. After that, you'll be taken to the Data Management area. From here, select Lexicon. Lexicon is where Mixpanel organizes and displays the tracked data in your project, including events and properties. This section is especially useful if you want to review what's being collected before exporting anything. Once you're inside Lexicon, look for the Tracked Data section and choose Events. This will open a list of the different events currently being tracked in your Mixpanel setup. Depending on your project, you may see a short list or a much larger set of events. Take a moment here to identify the specific events you want to export. When you find the events you need, click on them to select them. Be careful to choose only the relevant events, especially if your project tracks a lot of activity, since that can make the export more difficult to work with later. Selecting the right events now helps keep your exported file cleaner and easier to analyze. After selecting the events, go to the top right corner of the page and click Export. This will open the export options where you can review and adjust the format or settings available for your download. If needed, you can edit those export options based on how you plan to use the file afterward. If you want the legacy format, choose CSV. This is a common format that's easy to open in spreadsheet tools and share with others if needed. Once that option is selected, Mixpanel will prepare the export and send it to your email. Since the file is delivered by email, keep in mind that it may take a little time depending on the amount of data being processed. And that's it. That's how to export events in Mixpanel. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double-check your selected events and export settings before submitting, so you don't have to repeat the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.